How to grow potato in raised bed. In this edition, we're gonna be filling the bed and fertilizing. Hello everybody, welcome to Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. Okay, so what we have to do today is we're gonna fill up this raised bed. As you see here, if you didn't watch my last video, the video shows you how I plant potatoes in the raised bed. So what we're gonna do is fill up the raised bed. I said when the potatoes have grown above the raised bed, I'm gonna fill up the raised bed. So the rest of the bottom layer of the raised bed up to here will be the mix or the soil that I have in there, so that way the potato roots can spread and get more germination and get more seeds. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm just gonna fill in the raised beds completely. Just fill up, it's like you see the space in there. I'm just gonna fill it up with compost, and that should give it more nutrients and also give it more space for the roots and the stem to develop more roots and tubers, which will give me more potatoes. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get this started. Let's start filling up the raised bed. So I'm gonna start filling each side with my compost mixture, and just make sure you fill it and spread it all out. So that way it gets all over, and you also control the roots or the stem, so that way it doesn't get stuck or get in the way of each other. So that way they are separate. So just continue filling all of it like this. So also, if you're doing a raised bed like this, it's very important to make sure that you leave a little bit of room on the top, so that way when rain falls or you water the bed, the water or the soil doesn't run out. So I'll say I'm gonna leave at least 3 to 4 inches from the top of the raised beds, just so that we have enough space, so that way when there's a lot of rainfall, it's gonna collect a little bit on top before settling down and watering the whole raised bed. Or if I'm watering the bed, it's gonna be able to hold the water, and then it's gonna slowly get into the raised bed instead of it running out and going into the ground. So once we're done, we're just gonna cover it, and we all set with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna water it first with regular water, then I'm just gonna put in one more watering can of my compost tea to fertilize it. So fertilizing it is very important. I'm gonna water it with compost tea at least once every 2 to 3 weeks. If you don't have compost tea, you don't know how to make compost tea, you want to make compost tea, I have another video that shows you how to make compost tea. But if you don't have compost tea or you don't want to make compost tea, you can also buy any liquid fertilizer to fertilize your potatoes, and it should still do good. So this is gonna be it for this video, and then when we the next video is gonna be harvesting, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos, and don't forget to share. Thank you and happy growing.